Amidst the vibrant chaos of the marketplace, Aladdin dutifully assists his mother, yet his heart yearns for a destiny beyond the mundane. The air is thick with the aroma of spices and the cacophony of voices, as Aladdin's gaze drifts towards the horizon, lost in dreams of a life less ordinary. In the heart of the bustling marketplace, Aladdin silently dreams of a better life. Aladdin stands dwarfed before the monstrous tiger maw of the Cave of Wonders, its eyes blazing with eerie light. A mysterious cloaked figure emerges from the shadows, his words igniting destiny. "You are the one I've been searching for, Aladdin." The mysterious man's voice echoes with prophecy. "Only you can enter the Cave of Wonders." The air crackles with anticipation as the mysterious man whispers the key to destiny. "Your pure heart is the key." Aladdin enters the Cave of Wonders, where an ethereal glow dances upon mountains of glittering treasures. Amidst the opulence, Aladdin's eyes fixate on an old, dusty lamp, untouched by the surrounding riches. As Aladdin reaches for the lamp, the ground begins to tremble violently, heralding impending doom. The man seals the cave, trapping Aladdin inside. Deep within the Cave of Wonders, Aladdin, ensnared and terrified, rubs the ancient lamp, setting the stage for an earth-shattering event. In a symphony of swirling blue smoke, a colossal genie bursts forth, shattering the cave's silence. With booming voice, the genie proclaims, "Master, I grant you 3 wishes!" A moment of both terror and boundless possibility. Aladdin stares back at the genie. Aladdin, with unwavering focus, envisions his humble abode, setting the stage for an impossible homecoming. A sudden magical poof shatters the tranquility as Aladdin materializes within the familiar confines of his hut. His mother's eyes widen in disbelief, then overflow with tears of uncontainable joy at the miraculous reunion. Overcome with emotion, they embrace in a heartwarming reunion, their joy palpable amidst the simple surroundings. In the bustling marketplace, fate orchestrates a collision between Aladdin and Princess Amira, veiled in the guise of a commoner. Apologies give way to genuine smiles, as an unexpected conversation ignites between 2 souls from vastly different worlds. Laughter intertwines with shared stories, bridging the chasm between their disparate lives, as a mutual respect blossoms in the heart of the lively bazaar. Their eyes meet, echoing a connection that defies social barriers, a spark of something profound igniting in the vibrant heart of the marketplace. A cunning trickster, with a lamp in hand, commands attention from atop the grand palace steps, casting a shadow of doubt over the kingdom. From the vibrant chaos of the marketplace, Aladdin emerges, his gaze locked onto the palace, a beacon of hope against the impending darkness. As Aladdin confronts him, the narrator declares, Aladdin confronts him, determined to save his friends and the kingdom. In a moment of selfless sacrifice, Aladdin's final wish bathes the kingdom in a radiant golden light, banishing the darkness of the villain. The kingdom experiences a transformation, as Aladdin's wish ensures everyone is safe and happy. With newfound freedom, Genie proclaims, "Your selfless wish freed me." The villain fades into oblivion, his malevolence extinguished by the selfless wish.